Hello friends, today I'm going to give you some of the free courses which is available on Udemy. So even you go and purchase some of the courses which is paid, approximately per courses it will cost you 5 to 700 rupees. But I'm going to give you some of the links which will help you to enroll free of cost, absolutely free of cost. You don't have to pay a single coin. So let me share you some of the links which is available. Okay, so this is the list of some of the Udemy free certificate courses. So here we have like advanced Excel tools which will be covered in this course. Then you have business analysis certificate course. Then you have some of the packaging design and 3D mock which is coming under the Adobe Illustrator. Then if you are a YouTuber, then how to advertise and how to market your YouTube content. Communication skills at the workplace, and if you are seeking for job or preparing for some of the government jobs or any private jobs, this quantitative aptitude for CAT, ZAT, etc. will absolutely free. Then if you are coming from the CSC background, the complete IP subnetting course which will teach you this course. Absolutely, this course is particularly it is not providing the certificate, but content is very good, and it will teach you from the basic to the advanced level how to create the networking IP, how to generate the public IP and private IP, and how to generate the subnetting in the network. Then design thinking towards the excellence in academics. Dockers, this is giving you, this is just a 1.5 hour course. You can finish it very soon and get the certificate. Then Python, a complete Python course for the beginner from the scratch. If you are feeling you are struggling in English, this elementary English level 1. Then if you are interested in doing the video editing or something, color grading, this course is helpful for that. Or the Angular basics, again Python course, this is for Python 3 particularly. And if you are a scholar, or if you are planning to publish some of the journal papers before that, or you are in the process of writing some journal papers, I will advise to must enroll in this course which will teach you how to do proofreading. So let's see how to do that. You just, anyway, I will provide this link in the description below. So I'll tell you how to enroll this. Before that, you have to log in the Udemy. Open this link and it will take you to the course which is free. So if you search this course without this link, if you search the same course without the link, see how much it will cost you. It will cost you around 525. And if you go through the link which I am providing you, it is absolutely free. And if you have doubt that certificate will be issued or not, you can see below in the description. This is 3-hour course which has the 24 downloadable resources and absolutely full-time access. It will be there. Once you enroll, the content will be available in your account throughout the life, and you can access these courses on mobile phone or TV. So but you have to enroll within 1 day. Okay, So this is for these courses are available for free for limited period because of the lockdown, and every day some of the courses are freely available, but we have to search. Anyway, if some courses will come, I will let you know. So similar way, you just go, if it is showing deducted, the amount is deducted. Now you can click the enroll, and after enroll, see the course came to your account. Course came to account, and if you want, you just start from here. You can start any. So similarly, you can enroll for other courses, for which I will give you the link. Hope you will take benefit of it. All the best. Thank you.